in my surgery online class. So we will continue with the topic cyst. So today we will take the topic epidermoid cyst. It is frequently asked in question examination. Epidermoid cyst, also called Van and sebaceous cyst, also called by the name of sebaceous cyst. So this sebaceous cyst actually contains what? Sebum. As we all know, there are sebaceous glands in the skin, in the scalp area, face, back, scrotum. So in these areas there are sebaceous gland. This sebaceous gland is not present all over in the body, in palms and soles. They are present in scalp, face, scrotum and back. So when these glands get blocked, when the sebaceous ducts of the glands get blocked, so that sebum will get retained, will get obstructed. So that's why this epidermoid cyst or sebaceous cyst, also called retention cyst, because there is retention of the sebum or obstruction of the sebum. So that sebum will not be able to go out from the ducts, as there will be the obstruction of sebaceous ducts. So that sebum will get accumulate and will form the cyst. So this cyst contains what? Sebum inside this sebaceous cyst, this epidermoid cyst. Now clinical features, you will notice that these are hemispherical or spherical in shape. Spherical means round. So it could be round in shape, spherical or hemispherical, and smooth surface है इसका, राउंड बॉर्डर्स हैं एंड फ्रीली मूवेबल है ये सिस्ट, फ्रीली मूवेबल. ठीक है. विद द कॉन्ट्रास्ट टू द डीपर स्ट्रक्चर्स, दिस सिस्ट इज फ्रीली मूवेबल. ये कहाँ पे है? ये एपिडर्मिस में हो रही है सेबेशियस सिस्ट. देन यू विल नोटिस अ punctum in the center. This center area is what? There is accumulation of keratin cells and there is punctum which contains keratin cells. So center में sebaceous cyst के बीच में यहाँ पे dark spot दिखेगा. Sebaceous cyst के center में dark spot दिखेगा, इसको कहते हैं punctum. So this is very important feature in epidermoid cyst or sebaceous cyst, but usually this punctum is not present or not visible अगर sebaceous ducts open हो रही है hair follicles में. So in 20 to 30% sebaceous ducts open into the hair follicles. So in that cases this punctum or this dark spot is not visible. Then you will notice indentation sign. This sign is what? On applying the pressure there will be pitting. Okay, this is indentation sign. Then molding sign. Molding sign is what? This sebaceous cyst will attain the other shapes or sizes. So this is the molding sign. Now the fluctuation will be present because it contains sebum and this will grow slowly, and this is usually non-tender. This is very important. This sebaceous cysts are non-tender and this grows slowly, and usually in the scalp area जब sebaceous cyst होगा तो there will be no presence of hair, no hairs on the sebaceous cyst, because cyst grow होता जाएगा anumerous होता जाएगा तो वहाँ पे hair loss हो जाएगा. Then in complications in cyst there could be infection. अगर सेकेंडरी इन्फेक्शन हो गया, कोई ट्रॉमा इंजरी, तो एब्सेस में टर्न हो जाएगा. देन कैल्सिफिकेशन हो सकता है अगर वहां पे कैल्शियम डिपॉजिट हो जाए, कैल्सिफिकेशन. देन कॉक्स ट्यूमर इज व्हाट? व्हेन जब यहाँ पे अल्सरेशन हो जाए ट्यूमर के अंदर, इन्फेक्शन एंड अल्सरेशन, तो दैट इज कॉक्स ट्यूमर. देन डिसाइड दिस बेसल सेल कार्सिनोमा भी हो सकता है लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग बेसल सेल कार्सिनोमा. So this long-standing epidermoid cyst can turn into basal cell carcinoma. Also, if contents of this cyst get dry, so this sebaceous cyst can turn into sebaceous horn. अगर contents dry हो जाए, then in treatment we will remove or excise the sebaceous cyst. एंड इसको बहुत ध्यान से रिमूव करना है बिकॉज दिस सेबेशियस सिस्ट हैज अ सेबेशियस वॉल, सिस्टिक वॉल, तो बहुत ध्यान से रिमूव करना है.